What up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I got another video for y'all on New Money Maker Mondays. It's called Slice the Pie. The link will be in the description. You sign up with that link, you get a bonus. Basically, what you're doing on this site, you're getting paid to review things. You're getting paid to review music, fashion, mobile. They even have Lucky Dip, which is basically like, reviewing random things. All right. So from time to time, some of these, mainly the music one, this is like when this site first came out, some years ago. Music is really all they had, but they really expanded into reviewing fashion and mobile. And you can basically get, like I said, you get paid to review these things. I'm gonna give you an example of how to do it. Very simple to use. First, I'm gonna show you my balance. Right now, I have $3.73. This is a site that I've cashed out on many times. You have to have $10 in order to cash out. So I'm almost halfway to my next cash out. But I just want to show you how this site works. Okay. Like with the music, basically you're going to review music for like 90 seconds and you're going to write a review. Okay. Now the review has to be a certain length. I'll show you that in the video as well. Fashion, basically they're showing you, different clothes, shirts, pants, dresses, shoes, whatever. Just showing you your opinion. You kind of write like a little small review, on how to do that. And the mobile right now, they don't have anything to review, but they'll have different things in there, apps, just things like that, that are retained to mobile, cell phone, things of that nature. And like I said, Lucky Dip is just random things. But I'm going to show you a quick review on how this works. I'm going to do a music tab because, like I said, music is one they mostly have right now. You see the mobile is out. From time to time, you'll see the fashion out. Not a lot, but from time to time you will. Music will pretty much always be there because lots of people in the world are trying to promote their music, and the best way to promote it is basically to force people to listen to it. And the way you force people to listen to it is for them to get paid to listen to it and really give you feedback. All right, so I'm gonna review this music section here on this in this video so I can show you how it works. I'm gonna click on it right now, and you'll see here it'll say tell us what you think. You need to listen to at least 90 seconds before you can submit your review. Okay, so basically what you're doing is you're gonna have to listen to this song, which is 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Listen to it for at least 90 seconds before you submit a review. You'll rate what you think about it, anywhere between 0 to 10. All right, and then you go down. Let me see. Would you add this song to your playlist? All right, that's basically what it is. You'll click yes or no. Okay, but at the top, like I said, you have to write a certain amount of you have to write a review. And there'll be an orange bar to fill up as you're writing to show you how, when you can actually stop writing, because you can't just write, 1 or 2 short sentences. They want a real review. So I'm going to show you how that works. I'm actually going to play it, and I'm going to pause the video just so you can see what you have to do before I submit it and show you how I'm going to get credited for it. All right, so I'm going to pause the video real quick. All right, y'all, I'm back. I actually wrote my review right here. Now you see how this orange bar is full. Right here, as I was typing, it was continuing to go up. It doesn't take that long. You don't have to really write a really long review, but the review I wrote is right there, so you can read it real quick. I just wanted to pause the video because I didn't want to. I don't really know the regulations as far as or the terms and conditions as far as playing the music out loud or whatever. So just to be on the safe side, I just paused it. But I listened to it for a little bit over 90 seconds. You can see here 2 minutes and 4 seconds played of the song. And it was actually a good song. Like I said, I wrote a review. Whether you like it or not, write an honest review. If you don't like it, write a review that you don't like it. If you do, write a review that you do like it. Just be honest with you. Be honest with them, because they're going to pay you regardless, as long as you're writing an honest review and that bar is full and you actually did everything you're supposed to. Okay, so now I'm going to rate the song. I'm actually going to give it a 7. All right, and let's say would I add it to my playlist? I'm gonna say yes. Then I'm gonna click submit. And it says, well done, your review make your own sunshine by AM Alarm was successful. You got 2 cents. Okay, so you see there, now I'm at $3.75. Now you're probably thinking all right, 2 cents really isn't a lot, but they have lots of things to review. The music keeps coming. You see here, 3 minutes and 26 seconds. This is my next song. You know what I'm saying? So you can really, there's lots of music on here. This is what this site is really made for. You know what I'm saying? So you see there that microphone and the sound playing. It's because people really want to promote their music, and lots of people are putting it on here because they know lots of members on here. So I definitely want you to sign up and just continue to grind. And think about this site, every review is not 2 cents. I've gotten lots of reviews as you do more and more, rewards will get bigger. I've gotten some reviews where it's like 10 cents. I think the highest review I ever got was like 26 cents. But it really just depends on the song, your review, just what they have available, things of that nature. So every review is not 2 cents. You're actually going to get some that are a lot, higher paying than that, so you just really have to, continue to use it. But it's one site that I continue to use because it pays really, really good. As far as like paying on time and, a really consistent income, because every time I'm going to the site, there's always music to review. They have fashion now and they have mobile reviews, all that kind of good things. So the reviews will continue to go up. And you see here, refer a friend and great rewards for both of you. So that's why I really want you to sign up with my link. That way you get a bonus. You get that reward for you as well. And just reviewing music is very simple. All you have to do is listen to 90 seconds of it. And like I said, once that orange bar is full, as you start typing your review, you'll see it, become full. Once it gets all the way to the end, basically that can be a last sentence. You can submit the review and get paid for it. All right. So that's basically the review of Slice the Pie. I want you to sign up for that today. Just kind of, especially for those people who don't like taking surveys. I know there are a lot of people out there that don't like doing that. I think this is a great alternative because it is consistent. It's not something that you have to qualify for. Like whatever music they have up there, you can definitely review. Just like a quick hint or helpful tip is when you create your account, they're going to ask you what kind of music you listen to. Me personally, I would say I listen to all kinds of music. That way you get reviews of all kinds of music. You know what I'm saying? I listen to a lot of R&B and hip hop, but for the purpose of using this site, I'm going to say I listen to everything. I'm going to listen to R&B, hip hop. I'm going to listen to pop. I'm going to listen to rock and roll. I'm going to listen to country. I'm going to listen to blues, all that kind of stuff, because they're going to give me reviews on basically all of those sites. All of those different genres of music. So that's one thing I would recommend doing. You don't have to do that. It's just a helpful way for you to actually get more money coming in. All you're doing is writing your review on what you think of the song. Some of these songs I probably wouldn't listen to on a regular basis, but when I hear them on here, like, okay, they're not that bad. And, like I said, you can write your review, whether it's good, whether it's bad, but really just submit something that way you can get paid for whatever you're writing. So I would say when you sign up for your account, just say listen to all genres of music, everything they have available, click, because they're going to ask you the kind of what you listen to. And that'll really get you a lot of money, because if you just say listen to just R&B, they might not have any R&B that day, but they have lots of country or lots of blues. So they won't send it to you because you say you don't listen to those. So that's just something I want you guys to keep in mind. I definitely want you to sign up for this. Like I said, especially for those of you who don't like doing surveys, this is a great way to still put money in your PayPal account. Like I said, the payout minimum is $10. But like I said, it's not hard because there's lots of music to get to, and the reviews, they really range as far as the price. So I want you to sign up today. Start reviewing music, start reviewing fashion, mobile, all that kind of good stuff, and start making money with it. All right, just that simple. Sign up with the link in the description so that way you can get this bonus and you can really take off and make lots of money with this site. All right, so it's called Slice the Pie. Sign up today, and remember, every penny counts.